Okay, so we're going to look at this limacon with an inner loop. And here's the forms. You can see those were similar to what we had before, but the relationship for A and B is A is less than B. Okay, and I'm not going to go through the symmetry for you. We're just going to look at the table of values here. So it says sketch the graph, and they have this. This table of values, I just took it from the book, but you could do that on your own. So let's look at how we're going to graph these. So 0, 7, so that's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's that point. Then we're looking at pi over 6, and it's going 6.3. It's going to be like a little bit in. And then pi over 3 is 4.5, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.5, like right there. Right there. And then pi over 2 was 2, 1, 2. And then 2 pi over 3. Okay, so 2 pi 3 is going to be over here on this line. Yeah. And negative 0.5, so it's going to be back here. Okay, so sometimes that's a little tricky to follow, but it's going to be right there. Now, if I had something at the pole, I shouldn't have something at the pole right there. Not yet. Okay, so we got to this one. Then 5 pi over 6, so we're all the way over here, and we're going negative 2.3, so like right there. And then pi was negative 3, 1, 2, 3. And then 7 pi over 6, so all the way over here to this line now. And we're going negative 1, 2.3. And then I'm at 4 pi over 3, so right there, that line. And I'm going negative 0.5, so right there. And 3 pi over 2 is 2. So I'm going 3 pi over 2, and I'm going out 2, right there. And then 5 pi over 3, going to be over here, and it's out 4.5, 1, 2, 3, 4.5. And then 11 pi over 6, so that's going to be this line here. And then that's going to be 6.3, which is like right there. Okay, so you can see a lot of them there. And then you're back to this point here. All right, so how does this work? Well, how did we trace it? We started here, right? And then we went around. Let's see. So that was to pi over 2, right? And then we had to start going inside that smaller one. I feel like I'm leaving something out here. Negative. Oh, because it's over here. I'm missing them. And it's, well, it's something like that. Okay, so you can see it gets a little confusing when you're putting all these points in, and then you're trying to trace it in the way that, you know, it came about. So we're going to go in the next examples, we're going to go to Desmos. So that's DESMOS. And we'll show you how to use that graphing utility.